Amazon, isolated islands, and African tribes. Humanity has always found incredible ways to adapt to diverse environments. Some tribes developed cultures so unique they seem almost alien. Whether in the Amazon rainforest, isolated islands, or African deserts, these peoples shaped their lives in ways that challenge modern understanding. Every detail of their existence shows strategies of survival, spirituality, and resilience that have lasted centuries. 1. Pirahu, Brazil. Located in the Amazon, the Pirahu live deeply connected with the forest. Without historical records or complex beliefs about the past, their language lacks numbers, specific colors, or concepts of past and future, meaning they fully live in the present. Fascinating fact: their complex songs convey emotions and stories, and their social structure relies on cooperation and consensus. Challenging traditional ideas about language and cognition. 2. Sentinelese, Andaman Islands, India. One of the most isolated peoples in the world, the Sentinelese attack anyone who approaches their island. They live off hunting, fishing, and gathering. Despite total isolation, studies suggest they have a highly organized society, maintaining territory and survival for thousands of years. 3. Morsi, Ethiopia, famous for the lip plates worn by women as a symbol of beauty and status. The Morsi inhabit the Omo Valley. Their dances and ceremonies celebrate fertility, hunting, and territorial protection. They also use body painting and scarification to express identity and social status, maintaining balance between tradition and survival. For Himba, Namibia, adapted to the desert, the Himba cover themselves with a mixture of butter and red ochre to protect against the sun and signal beauty and maturity. Their lives revolve around cattle care, fertility ceremonies, and initiation rituals. Women's diets, rich in milk and cattle blood, help them survive extreme conditions. 5. Korowai, Indonesia, living in treehouses as protection from rivals and animals. The Korowai inhabit Papua's tropical forests. Some houses are tens of meters high, connected by vine bridges. Their hunting and gathering rituals respect the forest, demonstrating profound ecological knowledge and spirituality. Some tribes challenged mountains, oceans, and cultural taboos, creating unique societies that remain fascinating today. Each demonstrates extreme physical, social, and spiritual adaptations. 6. Huli, Papua New Guinea. The Huli use colorful face paint and elaborate hairstyles as symbols of identity and status. Their ceremonies include dances that recreate ancestral stories, reinforcing traditions and community bonds. Ketujuh Dani, Baliam Fale, Indonesia, known for war rituals and potato planting festivals. The Dani transform every life event into ceremony. They historically practiced symbolic cannibalism to honor enemies and strengthen community ties. Festivities include music, dance, and gift exchanges, preserving social cohesion. 8. Zotan, Mongolia, nomads raising reindeer in Siberia. The Zotan move continuously with their families. They wear fur clothing, use survival techniques for extreme cold, and sing to coordinate movements. Harmony with animals is essential to their survival. 9. Bajau, Southeast Asia, known as sea gypsies. The Bajau spend most of their lives on boats or stilt houses, diving deep without modern equipment to hunt fish. Their bodies adapt to hold their breath for several minutes, showing extraordinary physical adaptation. 10. Agori, India, an extreme religious sect living in cremation grounds. The Agori practice rituals that break taboos about death and purity. Despite appearances, they follow deep philosophies of detachment, spirituality, and understanding life and death, with meditation and extreme rituals challenging social norms. Some tribes disappeared, while others remained isolated, leaving only traces in history. These cultures reveal human complexity, extreme adaptation, and practices that challenge modern imagination. 11. Anasazi, North America. The Anasazi built cliff dwellings in the American Southwest, sometimes tens of meters above ground. They developed advanced irrigation systems and cultivated maize, beans, and squash. Their disappearance remains a mystery, possibly due to climate change or internal conflicts. Dozi, Chachapoya, Peru, known as the Warriors of the Clouds. They lived in mountainous regions of Peru. Their stone cities, fortresses, and cliff tombs are impressive. They excelled in military resistance, food preservation, and textile production. 13. Khoikhoi, Southern Africa. Nomadic pastoralists with a complex Click language, skilled in desert survival and medicinal plants. Many of their descendants lost cultural heritage due to colonization. 14. Innu, Japan. Indigenous to Hokkaido, the Innu have facial tattoos, hunting and fishing rituals, and spiritual beliefs tied to animals. They resisted assimilation for centuries, preserving music, dance, and religious practices. 15. Aboriginals, Australia, one of the oldest continuous human cultures, over 50,000 years old. They used songlines to navigate territory and transmit knowledge. Rituals connect them deeply to the land and cosmos. 16. Tlingit, Alaska and Canada, sophisticated maritime society with longhouses, carved totems, and ceremonies. They relied on salmon hunting and maintained complex social hierarchies and rituals. 17. Dogon, Mali, renowned for astronomical knowledge, including details about Sirius without telescopes. Their cliff villages and agricultural systems sustain them in semi-arid regions. Religion blends ancestry, myth, and traditional science. 18. San Bushmen, Southern Africa, hunter-gatherers with complex tracking skills, medicinal plant knowledge, and click languages. Long dances and chants are used for celebration, healing, and spiritual connection. 19. Mabori, New Zealand warrior society with tattoo traditions and war dances. Haka, advanced canoes enabled navigation across the Pacific, while rituals preserve ancestral memory. 20. Vikings, Scandinavia, beyond warriors. They were skilled craftsmen, navigators, and traders. Their ships and exploration shaped far-reaching settlements and cultural legacies. These tribes and peoples show the incredible diversity of humanity. Some are extinct, others remain isolated or partially connected to the modern world, but all share creativity, adaptation, and deep understanding of nature and society. Explore their stories, marvel at their survival, and see the Earth through the eyes of the most fascinating cultures humanity has ever known.